megalayapost.news.
Mentah kasih kelapang kemen mensim ya kinong ilam senong kinong punya ke school managing committee bat kikmi pa ki bapak school lagi kun jongki syaka school landmark secondary school ke school kemudian hak senong umroy umdo berthi bat kumju ru ya senong hak umroy madan kata kade ba mentah kasih udaman baik lemare ulalik ban pri ba no ya ke building bat mai ya ke ba ulap nio bat te hak school landmark bat kumju ru ya ke jingker jong ke school kemudian hak senong umroy madan hamba pli ya ke building barang syu te hapo ke school nalor UMLA la sakir daga jingdon lang uba SB bla DSEO isipai na umroi cantonment nang ta kinong ilam snong ki bagan thup ya ba PB seliang ramba snong ko umroi umdo berthi lambor makri ramba snong ko umroi madan uba shalan seliang presiden ke school managing committee kinong hikai ki khana school lem ki mi pa jong khana school hamba karen ke singi udaman wai lemre long baul penio ya kite ki jingte na banta kite school ke dei lengba ka scheme SRWP ha ka bante ya kite building nang bakan pensuk ya khana ki ba pule po school bakin light na ka shong hamnya kamtam makate ke school kedai babun ki khana school kilik dan pulih po ke school
Landmark Secondary School was established on 12 February 1992 and the founder of this school was late Sri Leonis John Richard Linkoy. This school is meant to give the quality of education to the underprivileged students belonging from the poor family by collecting the school fees at a very low cost. The monthly fees collected from each student is based on one-day wages of a woman. Collection of fees is not for the benefits of the owners or the managing committee, but to make the parents understand how much important is education and make them more responsible to work hard for the children's need. In the beginning, the school building was in a thatched roof with bamboo walls. There was only a single teacher, which sometimes made Sri L.R. Linkoy to take responsibility to teach by himself whenever the teacher was absent. At first, there were only 3 classes, that is class nursery, KGA and KGB, with only 8 numbers of students. After some years, that is in 2006, the school was proceeded to upper primary section and then to the secondary section in 2008. The first batch of SSLC students to appear the board exam was in 2011 with 4 numbers of students, 1 male and 3 females. All of them got through in 2nd division.
Kadega step ke kerpang. Haro kata-kata namar bangila ayoro. Ban play ban otsan uribon mentai sipang. Ya kadega building school ke petemai. Kabalala ban penmang. Nagata ke scheme ke jonga ki khot ke SRWP ngala ban ain rulak tengka ban yok ban sna yini school building. Hoj ngaku murang mikmat jong kali ka thai ka dong jong kali kospensi umroi sibun ba kijing don kam kijing dawa hapa ka kospensi ngimong tangi ki school ki dorbar ki community hall ini ki jing dorbar borok ter ki bon ba na pi khenya ka balang re pi khenya ka balang na pi khen ki surok ke lenti ki building school kumne ter kumta ngamlar banong ngamlar ban jerwe pwe gerteng kinang bon ba kijing don kam hapa ko konstituensi dengan ong yepi kanero ngilaban ai namar ngihaban penmang kendit sabaro kibon ba ki school ki ba application kibon ba ki sno ki ba application kibon ba ni don ba sno ki surok ki lenti yengro bagi ai tang ki persang malek kendit go we hadini we te kanero kadai na skim SRWP kubala ong yepi ngilayo ban bentan riulak but what like they bari ro try kadi ka jingker kuba na benta kadi ka school ba je kani ka managing committee hi barok away Tengah ngasu banong hagan ni kapor ba kum kini kijaj jing ai sobha le ni development nginem yok bonsen na kerpa di menjing komiti ba na kerpa di kini kena school ke be ro dale abha da sumar bhai kini ke building namar ba dapi penjat tempra kum kini kijing ai sobha nimla arban yo sasisen ni arsen biang hagan ni ke jo ke jakai kum kini kijaj jing kum kini kijaj development megi ai menta namar ba dapi penjat penpran dapi pej bah sumar bah ka ban bangin sei nanongin sei ko fon ban pendit pendeng le ban tembah pendet deng ya kani ke school building ke jongpi da kermen skem hero ban leng ke managing committee ban leng khna school ro kin long ki sumar bah ban pendon kam bah ya kani ke school building bal adap ai lega scheme SRWP
Meghalaya Post.news